I'm so excited to explore the Williams-Sonoma Bridgerton Tea Time Tales with you. A treasure trove of tea time delights to celebrate a sweet new season of intrigue. A small batch. What say you to a cup of tea? This is gorgeous. There's the ingredients for all the teas. It's in a beautiful box that wouldn't look out of place on a bookshelf, honestly. And I'm definitely going to throw a Bridgerton tea party and serve these. It's kind of like an advent calendar. This says, ooh, that's embossed. Let's enjoy tea. Dearest gentle reader, a new social season is upon us. As you well know, the Bridgertons reign supreme in matters of the heart, proving that all is indeed fair in love and war. I myself cannot wait to reveal the further machinations of life in our ton. And rest assured, if there is a scandal, I shall uncover it. In the meantime, I urge you to fortify yourselves with a cup of tea and some regal refreshments as you await the delicious intrigue that lies ahead. Oh my gosh, so this says it's tea time, make haste. I hear the queen is quite taken with you, says number 1. Number 2 says time is precious. You're all as delicate as butterflies. I would be obliged for a cup of tea. I'm going to have to remember that statement. 8. Roses are a symbol of love, are they not? Tea is the only thing that truly relaxes me. There was a bee who fell in love with a flower, and cake is something one never really outgrows. Okay, I had trouble reading that one. Oh, it's jam. And so these are all jam. Oh, no. Honey breakfast black tea contains caffeine. And there's another jam. Or honey. I think that one's honey. Let me take it out and show you. I did not know what to expect because I just bought this on Williams-Sonoma and didn't look at it yet because I was waiting to look with you. Okay, that is Bridgerton honey. And this one, I'm going to say, is Bridgerton jam. Bridgerton peach bourbon jam. Thank you very much. That's going to be amazing. Let's open up number 8. This is definitely like an advent calendar. And if you didn't want spoilers, I hope you stopped watching. A little rose sugar to put into your tea. There's 2 of them in there. Oh, how fun. And then number 4, spoiler alert, is another tea, Featherington Blood Orange Mimosa Iced Tea. Oh, I can't wait to taste that. Number 3 up here is shortbread, I believe. Let's get it out. Come here. It's kind of stuck. 2 little shortbread bites. This would be a fantastic gift to surprise your Bridgerton-loving friends with. And here's the Queen's Cake Vanilla Fruit Herbal Tea. There's 2 packets of it. That sounds good too. And finally, number 1, I kind of did these out of order. I think it's chocolate biscuits. They're kind of hard to pick out of here. Excuse me. There's nothing like doing this on a video. Okay, and that is Bridgerton chocolate shortbread. How fun. So 2 shortbreads, a jam, a honey, 3 different kinds of tea, and 2 little purple rose sugars to put in your tea. How fun is that? Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, even though it was a little chaotic. Bye.